We will need Raspberry Pi, SD card, power supply, which is USB Type-C, and internet cable. First, you need to plug an SD card into computer. Then we'll go to BalenaEtcher and download it for Windows. It also has options for macOS and Linux. So after you've downloaded, you can install it. And now we will need to open it. I think it will open automatically. Yeah. We can select Flash from URL. And now we will go into second link and we will scroll down and select our Raspberry Pi and copy the address. We will paste it and select OK. Now we need to select the SD card, which is this one, and select and flash. Press yes. After flashing the SD card, we can remove the USB stick with SD card and put it in the Raspberry Pi. So we will flip it and plug it there. Then we will plug our internet cable. And now we can power it up with USB-C. You can see these two lights blinking. Now we can access HomeAssistant.local with port 8123. We will press enter and we can see that it's installing Home Assistant. After the installation is done, we can set the name. I will go with Home Assistant, which will be the username and with a password. We can click create account. Yeah, we can leave it blank. We can change it later. No thanks, and finish. Stay logged in, yes, and we've installed Home Assistant